Today, we're gonna muddle through, we're just gonna show you how to muddle a cocktail.
Brought to you by awesomedrinks.com. Check out learn.awesomedrinks.com to learn more about cocktails.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. I'm Derek Schomer. I'm here in this series to kickstart your journey through cocktail home mixology or home bartending, making cocktails for fun. And if you're looking to get a job in the cocktail industry, this might not be a bad series of videos to watch. Like, subscribe, and show all your friends, especially if they like cocktails, to this video and the channel. If you're on learn.awesomedrinks.com, thank you for coming. Keep watching more videos and learning as you go. The Muddler. This is one of the last bar tools in our Home Bartender Starter Kit that really is needed if you're starting to understand how cocktails really work. Actually, I think it is the last tool. It's a tool that you don't use very often unless you really like mojitos, mint juleps, herbal drinks, some fresh spring cocktails with gin and basil and stuff like that. That's when this really comes in handy. So while you might not use it every day, there are specific seasons and there are specific people who like cocktails made a specific way. And because mojitos are one of the more popular drinks, and a julep is pretty popular too, especially during the right time of the season, it's always good to have one of these handy. Plus, worst case scenario, somebody tries to mug you. So before I show you how to use the muddler, let's learn how to respect the muddler. Actually, we don't care about the muddler as much as the things we're muddling. When you're muddling herbs, or herbs, if you're watching from the UK, they have a very distinct, there's a challenge involved. There's a technique that takes place. You want to be able to squish and press the oils, the essential oils, from the herb themselves, but you don't want to tear and just destroy that herb. And the reason really is because as you tear, that allows the chlorophyll to come out. And if the chlorophyll starts to get into your cocktail, I guess not only is it going to turn it green, but chlorophyll is a bitter agent. It's got a bitter taste to it with a little bit of a grassy note. So if you've ever had a mojito that tastes kind of like you might be chewing grass or straw, or is a little bit too excessively green, it's probably because it was muddled incorrectly. So you want to have a good firmness and a little bit of a twist, but you don't want to get crazy. It also helps protect your glass that you're going to be muddling in. The Home Bartender Kit comes with a Boston shaker. Part of the Boston shaker is a 16-ounce reinforced tempered pint glass. It's not a normal pint glass, it's stronger than that, which is good if you're going to be muddling anyway. Most people don't muddle in delicate glassware or crystal because muddling it could break the glass, which creates a big mess all over the place. In this case, what I'm going to be using as my test subjects are these nice little fluffy pieces of basil here. So take your basil leaves, stick them in your glass. Typically recipes call for anywhere from, well, with basil, usually no more than 4. With mint, it could be the whole sprig. It could be 12 pieces, depending on the recipe, what it calls for. We're going to add in just 3, just for fun. So for this part, we're just going to do an example. We're just going to press the herbs. In a recipe, like a mojito or whatnot, follow the recipe. Typically, it's going to be sugar and citrus alongside your fleshy herbs. And one of the reasons for that is sugar helps to extract the oils from the herbs, which is only going to make your drink taste better. So what we're going to do is put the herbs in and press. Just press down, and you can keep pressing down on all of them until they're crushed to the bottom. And this is going to help get out the oils. I like to make sure each leaf has like a little darker green color showing it's been pressed. You don't have to stir it like a witch's brew. As a matter of fact, it's probably going to lead to tearing. And you don't want it to tear. You just want it to express the oils. I don't even have to know. I can smell it from here. This smells like pasta's being made. Actually, it smells really good. Whoa, and very potent. So you continue to press down and try to crush the veins so that all of the oils come out without tearing. Once it's sufficiently muddled, you're good to go. Now if I take this and I added in my sugars and I added in some citrus, a little bit of gin, and shake it up, there's no doubt in my mind that people that love basil are going to completely enjoy that drink. It's just got the right aroma. You don't even need to have a garnish on it. It's so bright and it's just so bright and vegetal. When you're working with drinks that call for muddled fruit, like limes, caipirinha, the caipa vodka, or Capri vodka, whatever they call it, those type of drinks with grains, with super fine grained sugar, it's the same technique. You're going to put those fruits into your glass with the sugar on top, and you're going to muddle it. But now, as you're doing those same exact press, that firm press, you're scoring the sugar across the top of that lime, and you're zesting it and getting the oils to express. Same technique, same process, same rich, awesome flavor. You don't have to get crazy. It's not about destroying, it's about that subtle nuance. That is what makes the technique so important. You can check out the Home Bartender Starter Kit on awesomedrinks.com, link below. 2 videos on the sidebar for even more drink recipes and essential tool how-tos. Next time we're going to talk a little bit about some of the glasses you might want to use. We're teaching you how to drink.